Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today in this video we will discuss important current affairs of June month. This is fourth week. We already uploaded first, second and third week current affairs. So please watch that videos also. In this video we will discuss 100 plus MCQs. So let's start the session. First question. Name the country which has committed 200 million euros to support India's COVID-19 response. And the answer is France. So recently France has committed to provide 200 million euros for the India to support COVID-19 response. The capital of France is Paris and the currency is euro. Next. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy for 4 years with effect from the June 22, 2020? And the answer is Urjit Patel. So former 24th RBI Governor Urjit Patel has appointed as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. The headquarters of NIPFP is located in Delhi. The present CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and the governor is Anil Baijal. And the present RBI governor is Shakti Kanta Das. He is 25th RBI governor and Urjit Patel is 24th RBI governor. Next. Who heads the committee formed by Niti Aayog to develop job platform for migrant laborers and others? And the answer is Amitabh Kant. So Amitabh Kant is the CEO of Niti Aayog. So recently Niti Aayog has created one committee for the migrant laborers and others to provide jobs. For this committee is headed by Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant. Niti Aayog full form is National Institution for Transforming India. The headquarters of Niti Aayog is located in Delhi. The chairman of Niti Aayog is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amitabh Kant is CEO and Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. Remember all these things. Next. Which Indian has been elected as the ITF International Tennis Federation World Tennis Tour Men's Panel representing the Asia Oceania zone? And the answer is Nikki Kalyanda Punacha. So recently tennis player Nikki Kalyanda Punacha has elected as the member of ITF World Tennis Tour Men's Panel. So the headquarters of ITF is located in London, UK. Next. Which edition of National Reading Day was celebrated on June 19, 2020? So every year we celebrate National Reading Day on the June 19. It is the 25th edition of the National Reading Day which was celebrated on June 19. On June 19 we also celebrated Sickle Cell Awareness Day. Next. Which ministry has launched Satyabama portal which was developed by National Informatics Center? And the answer is Ministry of Mines. So recently Ministry of Mines, Pralhad Joshi is the present Union Ministry of Mines. So recently he launched Satyabama portal. It was developed by National Informatics Center. The full form of Satyabama is Science and Technology Yojana for Atmanirbhar Bharat in mining advancement is the full form of Satyabama. It is launched by Ministry of Mines. And another options, Ministry of Culture is Pralhad Singh Patel. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship is Mahendranath Pandey. Ministry of Human Resource Development is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Next. Vidyaben Shah, who was passed recently, she is a Padma Shri recipient in which field? And the answer is social worker. So recently social worker Vidyaben Shah has passed away. She is from Gujarat state. The present CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Next. What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in world's richest person list as per the Bloomberg Billionaires Index? And the answer is 9th. So recently Bloomberg Billionaires Index, in this index Mukesh Ambani rank is 9th in the richest persons and topped by Amazon Jeff Bezos. Next. Name the company which has become the India's first to hit 11 trillion rupees market capitalization. And the answer is Reliance Industries Limited. So recently Reliance Industries Limited is the India's first company to hit 11 trillion rupees market capitalization. The headquarters of Reliance Industries is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The present CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray and the governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Next, Rajaprabha is the festival celebrated in which state of India? And the answer is Odisha. So recently in Odisha, Rajaprabha festival was celebrated. The present CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Next, as per the report titled Global Trends Forced Displacement in 2019, nearly 79.5 million people forcibly displaced globally at the end of the year 2019. So this report is released by which organization? And the answer is UNHCR. United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees recently launched one report which is named Global Trends Forced Displacement in 2019. According to this report, total 79.5 million people was forcibly displaced at the end of 2019. The headquarters of UNHCR, it is located in Geneva, Switzerland. And another options, Food and Agriculture Organization headquarters located in Rome, Italy. United Nations Industrial Development Organization headquarters is located in Vienna, Austria. International Labour Organization headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Next, Exim Bank has extended line of credit with the worth of $20.10 million for the construction of hospitals to which country? And the answer is Nicaragua. So recently Exim Bank has provided line of credit with the worth of $20.10 million for the Nicaragua country for the construction of hospitals. The capital of Nicaragua is Managua and the currency is Cordoba. The capital of Guatemala is Guatemala City. The capital of Salvador is San Salvador. The capital of Honduras is Tegucigalpa. Next, which ministry has signed MOU with SIDBI to engage SIDBI as implementation agency for PM Swanidhi? And the answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So present Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is Hardeep Singh Puri. So recently Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has signed MOU with SIDBI for the implementation of PM Swanidhi Summit scheme. PM Swanidhi stands for Prime Minister Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. It is the scheme for street vendors. So for this scheme, government has signed MOU with SIDBI. SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. The headquarters of SIDBI is located in Lucknow, UP, and the present chairman and MD of SIDBI is Mohammad Mustafa. And remaining options, Ministry of Home Affairs is Amit Shah, Ministry of Finance is Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is Harshavardhan. Next, Indian Railways will offer passengers two world-class airport like swanky railway stations by the year of December 2020. Where does those two stations which is construction located? And the answer is both 1 and 3. So Habibganj and Gandhinagar. Habibganj, it is located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Gandhinagar, it is located in Gujarat. So recently Indian Railways will offer Swanik railway stations. It is the two world-class airport. It is completed in the year of December 2020. So these two stations are located in Habibganj and Gandhinagar. Present railway minister is Piyush Goyal and the present railway board chairman is VK Yadav, Vinod Kumar Yadav. Next, according to United Nations report, UN report titled Global Status Report on Preventing Violence Against Children 2020, how many children suffers violence annually due to inability of countries? And the answer is $1 billion. So recently UN has released one report which is named Global Status Report on Preventing Violence Against Children 2020. According to this report, total $1 billion children suffers violence. So the headquarters of United Nations is located in New York, US, and the present Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Next, Which bank has partnered with Hyundai Motor to launch auto retail financing platform which is named Click to Buy? And the answer is HDFC Bank. So recently HDFC Bank and Hyundai Motor both are partnered for launching online auto retail financing platform which is named Click to Buy. The headquarters of HDFC Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present CEO is Aditya Puri. And the headquarters of Hyundai Motors, it is located in Delhi. Next, the World Refugee Day was observed annually on June 20. What is the theme of World Refugee Day? And the answer is every action counts. So every year World Refugee Day is celebrated on June 20, and this year the theme is every action counts. Next, India attended 32nd Eurasian Group on EAZ Plenary Virtual Meet 2020, which is led by FATF. Guys, FATF stands for Financial Action Task Force. The main aim of this FATF is to control money laundering. Money laundering means the money which is earned illegally. So recently India attended 32nd Eurasian Group on EAZ Plenary Virtual Meet, which is hosted by FATF, Financial Action Task Force. So where is the headquarters of Financial Action Task Force? And the answer is Paris. So the headquarters of Financial Action Task Force is located in Paris, France. Madrid is the capital of Spain, London is the capital of UK, New York is the capital of US. Next, which state has signed tripartite agreement with the Power Grid and EDCL to set up smart classrooms in schools? And the answer is Rajasthan. So recently Rajasthan government has signed MOU with Power Grid and EDCL. EDCL stands for Education Consultants India Limited for set up smart classrooms in schools. The headquarters of Power Grid, it is located in Gurugram, Haryana, and the headquarters of EDCL is located in Delhi. The present CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot, and the governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next, name the bank which has collaborated with Afford Plan to launch co-branded health card which is named Swasth Card, and the answer is S Bank. So recently S Bank has partnered with Afford Plan for launching co-branded health card. The card name is Swasth Card. The headquarters of S Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Present MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar. Next, T. Tabishankar has appointed as the chairman of IFTAS. IFTAS stands for Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services. Guys, IFTAS, it is the wholly owned subsidiary of RBI. So recently it appointed one chairman named T. Tabishankar. So where is the headquarters of Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services? And the answer is Mumbai. So the headquarters of Indian Financial Technology and Allied Sciences headquarters is located in Mumbai. Recently T. Tabishankar is appointed as the chairman of this company, and the CEO of this company is N. Rajendran. Next, who has won the 2020 Peace Prize for the German book trade? And the answer is famous economist Amartya Sen. So recently Amartya Sen has won the 2020 Peace Prize of German book trade. Next, what is the rank of BSE? BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, among world's largest stock exchange in terms of cumulative market capitalization of all companies in the platform as per World Federation of Exchange data, and the answer is 10th. So as per the World Federation of Exchange data, our stock market BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, rank is 10th. In this report topped by New York Stock Exchange. The headquarters of BSE is located in Dalal Street, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present CEO is MD and CEO is Ashish Kumar Chauhan, and the present chairman is S. Ravi. So BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange headquarters is located in Dalal Street, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Present chairman is S. Ravi, and MD and CEO is Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Next, who authored the book which is named Legend of Suheldev, the King Who Saved India? And the answer is Amish Tripathi. So Amish Tripathi is the author of the book which is named Legend of Suheldev, the King Who Saved India. Next, Rajinder Goyal, who passed away recently, he associated with which sports? And the answer is cricket. So recently famous cricket player Rajinder Goyal has passed away. Next, the UN's United Nations theme for the International Yoga Day is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. When was International Yoga Day was celebrated annually? And the answer is June 21st. So every year we celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st. This year the theme is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. It is declared by UN's theme. And our India theme is Ministry of Ayush declared Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. It is the UN's theme, and our India theme is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family, which is celebrated Yoga Day on June 21st. Next, how many rupees was sanctioned by central government for augmentation of healthcare facilities in northeastern states? And the answer is 190 crores. So recently central government has provided 190 crores for the northeastern states for the healthcare facilities. There are total 8 northeastern states: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Sikkim, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. So these are the 8 northeastern states. So recently government will provide 190 crores for these northeastern state for the development of healthcare facilities. Next, Ministry of Finance has released first installment of 15,187.50 crores for the 15th Finance Commission grants to rural local bodies for the financial year 2021 recently. Who is the chairman of 15th Finance Commission? And the answer is N.K. Singh. So present Finance Commission, it is the 15th Finance Commission, and the chairman of 15th Finance Commission is N.K. Singh. So recently Ministry of Finance has released 15,187.50 crore for the rural local bodies in the financial year 2021, and the present Ministry of Finance is Nirmala Sitharaman. Next, which IIT has partnered with United Nations World Food Programme India to offer research-based solution to storage supply of food grains? And the answer is IIT Delhi. So recently IIT Delhi and United Nations World Food Programme has partnered to launch storage supply of food grains based solution. The headquarters of World Food Programme, it is located in Rome, Italy. Next, PM Narendra Modi has launched 50,000 crore Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan to boost employment and livelihood of migrant workers, which is the nodal ministry for the implementation of this scheme. And the answer is Rural Development Ministry. So recently PM Narendra Modi has launched Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan with the worth of 50,000 crores for the boost employment of migrant workers. So this scheme is the Ministry of Rural Development Ministry. The present Ministry of Rural Development is Narendra Singh Tomar, and his constituency is Morena, Madhya Pradesh. And remaining options: Home Affairs Minister Amit Shah, Animal Husbandry is Giriraj Singh, Commerce and Industry Ministry is Piyush Goyal. Next, Kolkata-based UCO Bank has partnered with which insurance company to offer various insurance products for its customers? And the answer is all of above. So recently UCO Bank has partnered with SBI Life Insurance, Oriental Insurance Company, Religare Health Insurance Company, Star Health and Allied Insurance Company for launching insurance products for its customers. UCO Bank headquarters is located in Kolkata, West Bengal, and the present CEO of UCO Bank is Atul Kumar Goyal. Next, Tata Sons Natarajan Chandrasekhar has been re-nominated part-time non-official director on RBI Central Board recently. In RBI Central Board has how many members? So recently RBI has appointed Natarajan Chandrasekharan as a part-time non-official director. In RBI there are total 21 Central Board directors in this RBI Central Board. The present governor of RBI is Shakti Kanta Das, and the establishment year of RBI is 1935. Headquarters of RBI is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, what is the rank of World Justice Project Rule of Law Index 2020 in India? Answer is 69. So in the World Justice Report Rule of Law Index 2020, our India rank is 69. In this index topped by Denmark country. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Next, ISRO has received a patent for its liquid cooling and heating garment LCHG for astronauts to use in space. By which year ISRO plans to send humans to space under Gaganyaan project? And the answer is 2022. So recently ISRO has received a patent for its liquid cooling and heating garment. So ISRO has sent humans to space under Gaganyaan project by the year of 2022. The headquarters of ISRO is located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Present chairman is K. Shivan. Next, Lachman Singh Lehi, who is recently in news. Recently army personnel Lachman Singh Lehi has passed away. So Lachman Singh Lehi belongs to army personnel. Next, World Hydrographic Day was celebrated every year, and the answer is June 21st. So every year June 21st it is celebrated as World Hydrographic Day, and also Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21st. On June 20 we celebrated World Refugee Day. June 19 it is celebrated as Sickle Cell Awareness Day. Next, which PSU has partnered with Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission to boost innovation ecosystem in India? And answer is Coal India Limited. So recently Coal India Limited has partnered with Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission for the boost of innovation ecosystem in India. The headquarters of Coal India Limited, it is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. And the present CEO of Coal India Limited is Anil Kumar Jha. Next, Evariste Ende Ishimiye was elected as the president of which country in recently? And the answer is Burundi. So recently Burundi new president is Evariste Ende Ishimiye. The capital of Burundi is Gitega and the currency is franc. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. The capital of Rwanda is Kigali. The capital of Tanzania is Dodoma. Next, International Day of the Celebration of Solstice. It is globally observed on 21st June since which year? And the answer is 2019. So every year we celebrated 21st June as the International Day of the Celebration of Solstice. It is observed on the year of 2019. So it is the second edition. Next, World Music Day was celebrated and the answer is June 21st. So every year World Music Day was observed on June 21st. So in the June 21st we celebrated Music Day, Yoga Day, Hydrography Day, International Day of Solstice Day. Next, what is the amount that was allocated by central government for PM CARES Fund for ventilator supply and migrant laborers welfare? And the answer is 3000 crore. So recently government has allocated 3000 crores under the PM CARES Fund for ventilator supply and migrant laborers welfare. In this 3000 crore for the ventilator will allocated 2000 crores and the remaining 1000 crores will be allocated for migrant laborers welfare. Guys, comment your answer. What is the full form of PM CARES? Next, the central government has approved 412.19 crores for the financial year 2021 for the which state? For the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission. And the answer is Telangana. So recently central government has approved 412.19 crores for Telangana state for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission. The present CM of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and the governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Next, RBI has extended special liquidity window for S Bank for 3 months in June 2020 for the worth of how much amount? And the answer is 50,000 crores. So recently RBI has extended special liquidity window of 50,000 crores for S Bank for 3 months. The headquarters of S Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and also RBI headquarters is also located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, The last satellite of BDO navigation satellite system was launched recently. The BDS belongs to which country? And the answer is China. So recently China has launched BDO navigation satellite system. The capital of China is Beijing and the present president is Xi Jinping. Next, Purnima Janane, who passed away recently, she associated with which sport? And the answer is shooting. So, shooting player Purnima Janane has recently passed away. Next, when was International Olympic Day was celebrated? And the answer is June 23rd. So, every year International Olympic Day was celebrated on June 23rd. Next, name the app which was launched by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai to provide information about ICU beds and ventilators. And the answer is AirVenti. So recently, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai has launched AirVenti app for the provide information of ICU beds and ventilators. Next, which IIT has created a chip named Dhruva that can be mounted in smartphones and navigation devices to find places and routes within the country? And the answer is IIT Bombay. So recently IIT Bombay has created Dhruva chip for the finding places and routes within the country by using smartphones and navigation devices. Next, the Karnataka Bank has launched a new product which is named KBL Micro Mitra for MSMEs, Micro Small Medium Enterprises. Who is the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank? And the answer is Mahabaleshwara MS. So recently Karnataka Bank has launched KBL Micro Mitra for MSMEs. The present MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank is Mahabaleshwara MS. Next, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has unveiled the booklet and poster of 51st International Film Festival of India to take place in Goa. Who is the present Information and Broadcasting Minister? And the answer is Prakash Javadekar. So recently Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar has launched one booklet and poster by the 51st International Film Festival of India, which is going to be held in Goa. And remaining options, Smriti Irani is the present Women and Child Development Ministry and Textile Ministry. Harshavardhan is the Health Minister. Hardeep Singh Puri is the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Minister. Next, how many district level Khelo India centers will be established by Sports Minister to engage the former champions in sports training? And the answer is 1000. So recently Sports Minister has established 1000 Khelo India centers for engaging the former champions in sports training. The present Sports Minister is Kiran Rijiju. Next, the first online education of Cannes Film Market 2020 was launched recently. Which organization managed the Indian Pavilion at Cannes on behalf of Information and Broadcasting Ministry since 2014? And the answer is FICCI. So recently, first online edition of Cannes Film Market 2020 was launched. For our India, FICCI and Information Broadcasting Ministry has managed this Cannes Film Market 2020. The headquarters of FICCI is located in Delhi and the present president is Sangeeta Reddy. And remaining options, NASCOM headquarters is located in Delhi. Recently, UB Praveen Rao as appointed as the new CEO of NASCOM. And the Confederation of Indian Industry headquarters is located in Delhi. Recently, Uday Kotak is appointed as the president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. Next, name the Union Food Processing Industries Minister who has launched inaugural session of Food Processing Sector Edition Exclusive Investment Forum, which is hosted by Invest India. And the answer is Harsimrat Kaur Badal. So recently Union Ministry of Food Processing Industries Harsimrat Kaur Badal has launched inaugural session of Food Processing Sector Edition, which is hosted by Vishwabandhu Gupta, who passed away. He is renowned, and the answer is both 1 and 2. So recently politician and journalist Vishwabandhu Gupta has passed away. Popularly he known as Balloon Man. Next, the International Widows Day is observed every year on June 23rd. The day was first observed in which year? And the answer is 2011. So every year International Widows Day was celebrated on June 23rd. It was celebrated on the year of 2011. First day was observed on 2011. Next, The United Nations Public Service Day was observed annually, and the answer is June 23rd. So United Nations Public Service Day is celebrated on June 23rd. Widow Day, Olympic Day and the National Public Services Day is celebrated on June 23rd. June 21st is celebrated Yoga Day, Hydrography Day. Next, which state government has partnered with Reliance Jio TV to educate students during COVID-19 pandemic? And the answer is Haryana. So recently Haryana and Reliance Jio TV has partnered for providing online classes for the students during this COVID-19 pandemic. The present CM of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar and the governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Next, how much India committed for United Nations Relief Work Agency for Palestinian refugees in the Near East for next 2 years? And the answer is $10 million. So recently India has provided $10 million for the Palestinian refugees in the Near East in the year of next 2 years. Next, name the Union MSME Minister who was launched Credit Guarantee Scheme for Subordinate Debt, Distressed Asset Fund Subordinate Debt for MSMEs. So CGSSD or Distressed Asset Fund Subordinate Debt for MSMEs for providing 20,000 crores guarantee cover to 2 lakh MSMEs. So the present Union Minister MSME is Nitin Gadkari. So recently MSME Minister Nitin Gadkari has launched Credit Guarantee Scheme for Subordinate Debt, which is also called Distressed Asset Fund Subordinate Debt for MSMEs. Remaining options: Tawarchand Gehlot is the Social Justice and Empowerment Minister. Ravi Shankar Prasad is the next question. Which company has partnered with US Gold Currency Inc. and Blackfields to introduce world first monetary gold-backed US gold digital currency in India and few other countries? And the answer is IBMC Financial Professional Groups. So recently US Gold Currency Inc. and Blackfields has introduced first monetary gold-backed US gold digital currency in India. So for this it is partnered with IBMC Financial Professional Groups. The headquarters of IBMC it is located in Dubai, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Next, Gulabai Sangamanerkar, who was in news recently. She is renowned and the answer is folk artist. So recently Tamasha. She is from Tamasha folk artists. So Maharashtra Culture Minister Amit Deshmukh has announced Vidhabhai Narayan Gokar Lifetime Achievement Award for this person, Gulabai Sangamenerkar. She is Tamasha folk artist. Next, India is the 12th largest holder of US government securities at the end of April 2020, which is the largest holder of US government securities as per US Treasury Department, and the answer is Japan. So according to the US Treasury Department, the largest holder of US government securities is Japan. In this list, our India rank is 12th largest holder, which is holding US government securities. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. The capital of China is Beijing. Next, which company has signed agreement to acquire 49% stake in Odisha Power Generation Corporation? And the answer is Adani Power. So recently Adani Power has acquired 49% stake in Odisha Power Generation Corporation. Next, the World Karate Federation has provisionally de-recognized the Karate Association of India recently. Where is the headquarters of World Karate Federation is located? And the answer is Madrid, which is located in Spain. So recently World Karate Federation has provisionally de-recognized by the Karate Association of India. So the World Karate Federation is located in Madrid, Spain. Next, remaining options: Nairobi is the capital of Kenya, Tokyo is the capital of Japan, Amman is the capital of Jordan. Next, K. Raghunath, who passed away recently in June 2020, is associated with which sport? And the answer is basketball. So recently basketball player K. Raghunath has passed away. Next, find the ministry which launched Yukti 2.0 platform, and the answer is HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched Yukti 2.0 platform. Yukti stands for Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation 2.0 is the full form of Yukti 2.0. Next, Which state has launched Ek Tu Kelo Ek Tu Pado initiative for school children? Answer is Tripura. So recently Tripura state has launched Ek Tu Kelo Ek Tu Pado or Play Little Study Little is initiative for school children. It is launched by Tripura state. The present CM of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Dev and the governor is Ramesh Bayas. Next, how many children will be pushed to poverty and food insecurity in South Asian region in next 6 months according to the UNICEF report? And the answer is $360 million. So according to the UNICEF reports, total 360 million children will be pushed to poverty and food insecurity in South Asian region. The headquarters of UNICEF, it is located in New York, US, and the present head of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. The full form of UNICEF is United Nations Children Fund. Next, Jharkhand government planned to launch 100-day employment scheme which is named Mukhyamantri Shramik. Shramik stands for Sahari Rozgar Manjuri for Kamgar Yojana. So the present CM of Jharkhand is, and the answer is Hemant Soren. So recently Jharkhand government launched Mukhyamantri Shramik Yojana and the present CM of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren. Prem Singh Tamang is the CM of Sikkim. Pema Khandu is the CM of Arunachal Pradesh. Nephew Rio is the CM of Nagaland. Next, who was the Maharashtra government's Sangeetacharya Anna Saheb Kirloskar Musical Theatre Lifetime Achievement Award 2019-20? And the answer is Madhuvanti Dhandekar. So recently Madhuvanti Dhandekar has won the Maharashtra government's Sangeetacharya Anna Saheb Kirloskar Musical Theatre Lifetime Achievement Award. She is Tamasha folk artist. Next, what is India's rank in large economy countries list based on purchasing power parity PPP for 2017 as per World Bank's ICP report? And the answer is third. So recently according to the World Bank ICP report, India rank is third in the purchasing power parity list. In this list it is topped by China country. Next, the headquarters of World Bank, it is located in Washington DC, US, and the present president is David Malpass. Next question. Joel Schumacher, who passed away recently, he is renowned, and the answer is film director. So recently film director Joel Schumacher has passed away. Next, name the company which was launched FabiFlu, first oral favipiravir approved medication in India for the treatment of COVID-19, and the answer is Glenmark Pharma Limited. So recently Glenmark Pharma Limited has launched FabiFlu, the first oral favipiravir which is approved by the medication of India. It is for the treatment of COVID-19. Glenmark headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, the Madhya Pradesh Kshetra Vidyut Vitaran Company Limited has introduced Nishata Vidyut Mitra scheme for whom? And the answer is women. So recently Madhya Pradesh company Madhya Kshetra Vidyut Vitaran Company has announced one scheme which is named Nishata Vidyut Mitra scheme. This scheme is for women. The present CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivaraj Singh Chauhan and the governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, Indira Rasoi Yojana will be launched by which state? And the answer is Rajasthan. Rasoi means kitchen. So recently Rajasthan government has launched Indira Rasoi Yojana. The present CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot and the governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next, which is the best performing state in controlling TB? More than 50 lakh population as per India's TB report 2020. TB stands for tuberculosis, and every year we celebrated World TB Day on March 24. So according to this report, the best performing state is Gujarat. More than 50 lakh population. Below 50 lakh population, best performing state is Nagaland. Next, Union Minister Jitendra Singh has inaugurated Puneja Bridge and Devika Bridge which is constructed by BRO. BRO stands for Border Road Organization. Both the bridges located in which state or union territory? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. So recently Northeastern Minister Jitendra Singh has inaugurated Puneja Bridge and Devika Bridge. These bridges are located in Jammu and Kashmir. The present Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next, Which country will take over presidency of FATF? Previously we discussed FATF stands for Financial Action Task Force from July 2020 for a year, and the answer is Germany. So Germany will take the presidency of Financial Action Task Force from July 2020 for the tenure of 1 year. The headquarters of FATF is located in Paris, France. Next, who among the following was named as the ambassadors for the 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020? And the answer is both 1 and 3. So Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap is appointed as the brand ambassadors of 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020, which is going to be hosted in Toronto, Canada. Guys, recently we uploaded brand ambassadors list 2020 from January to June month. Please watch that video. Next, Sanjay Kumar was appointed as the Chief Secretary of which state? And the answer is Maharashtra. So recently Maharashtra government has appointed Sanjay Kumar as the Chief Secretary. Next, which is the India's first airport to get an indigenously developed AWMS? AWMS stands for Aviation Weather Monitoring System, and the answer is Kempegowda International Airport, which is located in Karnataka. So recently Kempegowda International Airport has got the Aviation Weather Monitoring System. Remaining options: Biju Patnaik International Airport, it is located in Odisha. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, it is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, it is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. We already uploaded 8 ports video. Please watch that video. Next, when was International Day of Seafarer was observed? And the answer is June 25. So every year June 25 was celebrated as the International Day of Seafarer. The theme is Seafarers are key workers, essential to shipping, essential to the world. It is the theme of International Day of Seafarer, which is celebrated on June 25. On June 23rd we celebrated Olympic Day, United Nations Public Service Day. Next, which ministry along with India Red Cross has launched e-blood services mobile app? And the answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Indian Red Cross has launched e-blood services mobile app. This e-blood services mobile app was developed by e-Raktakosh team of CDAC, Development of Advanced Computing, and the present health minister is Harshavardhan. Next, what is the percentage of increase in TB patients in 2019 compared to the 2018 as per India TB Report 2020? It is released by Central TB Division and Health and Family Welfare, and the answer is 14%. So as compared to 2018, in 2019 total 14% increased in TB patients as per the report of India TB Report 2020. In this TB report, best performing state is Gujarat in above 50 lakhs. In below 50 lakhs, best performing state is Nagaland. Previously we discussed. Next, which organization has partnered with International Transport Forum of OECD to launch decarbonizing transport project in India? And the answer is Niti Aayog. So recently Niti Aayog and OECD has partnership for launching decarbonizing transport project in India. OECD stands for Organization Economic Cooperation Development. The headquarters of OECD is located in Paris, France, and the Secretary General of OECD is Jose Angel Gurria. Jose Angel Gurria is the present Secretary General of OECD. Niti Aayog headquarters is located in Delhi. Present chairman is Modi, PM Narendra Modi, and the CEO is Amitabh Kant, and the full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. And remaining options: Finance Commission. Present Finance Commission is 15th Finance Commission, and the chairman of 15th Finance Commission is N.K. Singh. RBI headquarters is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Present governor is Shaktikanta Das. Next, the cabinet has also approved 2% interest subvention scheme to Shishu loans accounts under Pradhana Mantri Mudra Yojana. The scheme will be implemented by which organization? And the answer is SIDBI. So SIDBI will implement the Shishu loan accounts. Recently government has approved 2% interest subvention for Shishu loan accounts under Pradhana Mantri Mudra Yojana. So Shishu loan accounts were under the Pradhana Mantri Mudra Yojana. This scheme was implemented by SIDBI. SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India. The headquarters of SIDBI is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Exim Bank headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The headquarters of National Housing Bank is located in Delhi. Next, in the Shishu, the loan amount is 50,000 rupees. To file 50,000 rupees will be provided under Shishu loan scheme. Next, what is, who is the chairman of the commission formulated by Article 340 of the Constitution to examine the issue of subcategorization of OBCs? And the answer is G. Rohini. So G. Rohini is the chairman of the committee which is formed by the central government for the issue of subcategorization of OBCs under Article 340. So the committee head is G. Rohini. Next, which organization released a report titled Inclusion and Education All Means All? And the answer is UNESCO. So recently UNESCO has released the report which is named Inclusion and Education All Means All. The headquarters of UNESCO is located in Paris, France, and the present head is Andrew Azoulay. Next, Mukhyamantri Matru Pushti Upahar scheme was launched by which state? And the answer is Tripura. So recently Tripura state has launched Mukhyamantri Matru Pushti Upahar scheme. The present CM of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Deb and the governor is Ramesh Bayas. Next, Kumar Sashakti-Karan Yojana scheme is launched by which organization? And the answer is KVIC. KVIC stands for Khadi and Village Industries Commission has recently launched Kumar Sashakti-Karan Yojana. The headquarters of Khadi Village Industries Commission is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present chairman is Vinay Kumar Saxena. And the NABARD headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Recently, Govindarajalu Chintala appointed as the chairman of NABARD. Next, which country has awarded project management consultant contract of 500 megawatt solar park to NTPC? And the answer is Mali. So recently Mali has awarded project management consultancy contract for the 500 megawatt solar park to the NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. The capital of Mali is Bamako. The capital of Niger is Niamey. Next, who has become the first female president of Marylebone Cricket Club in 233 years, which is effect from October 1st, 2021? And the answer is Claire Connor. So Claire Connor is the first female president which is elected as the Marylebone Cricket Club. She takes her charges from October 1st, 2021. Present president of Marylebone Cricket Club is Kumar Sangakkara. He is from Sri Lanka. Next, KK Shailaja, who was honored by UN Public Service Day, is the health minister of which state? And the answer is Kerala. So recently Kerala Health Minister KK Shailaja has honored UN on Public Service Medal. It is celebrated Public Service Day on June 23rd. So KK Shailaja is the health minister of Kerala. The present CM of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan and the governor is Arif Mohammad Khan. Next, which country has hosted RIC? RIC stands for Russia, India, China Foreign Ministers Level Virtual Conference, which is attended by our External Affairs Ministry Jay Shankar, and the answer is Russia. So recently Russia has hosted Russia, India, China Foreign Ministers Level Virtual Conference. For India, External Affairs Minister Jay Shankar was attended this meeting. Next, find the world's first country which is used drone mounted ULV sprayer for locust control. ULV stands for ultra low volume. So India is the first country in the world which is used drone system for the locust control. Next, World Vitiligo Day was celebrated every year and the answer is 25th June. So every year World Vitiligo Day was celebrated on 25th June. Next, which state government has launched Kapu Nestam scheme to provide financial support of women to the Kapu community? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh state. So recently Andhra Pradesh government has launched Kapu Nestam scheme for providing financial support of women. The government will provide 50,000 rupees for every year. Total 75,000 rupees will be provided in 5 years. The present CM of Andhra Pradesh is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy and the governor is Bishwa Bhushan Harichandan. Next, in accordance with cabinet approval, the urban and multi-state cooperative banks will function under the supervision of which organization? And the answer is RBI. So all urban and cooperative banks now comes under the RBI. So RBI will function the supervisor of urban and multi-cooperative banks. Next, the cabinet has recently approved participation of private parties in which sector? And the answer is space. So recently cabinet has given the approval for the participation of private parties in space. Next, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship along with which company jointly launched free digital learning platform Skill Build Reignite and Skill Build Innovation Camp. So for this, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has partnered with IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machines. The headquarters of IBM is located in New York, US. And the present Skill Development Ministry is Mahendranath Pandey. Next, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed on June 26. What is the theme of this day? And the answer is better knowledge for better care. So better knowledge for better care is the theme of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which is observed on June 26. Next, Parviz Jamsaji, who passed away recently. He is renowned and the answer is Army personnel. So recently Army personnel Parviz Jamsaji has passed away. Next, which country is going to host FIFA 2023 Women's World Cup football tournament? And the answer is both 1 and 2. So Australia and New Zealand will host the FIFA 2023 Women's World Cup. FIFA headquarters is located in Zurich, Switzerland. Next, name the person who heads the committee formed by National Green Tribunal to investigate the blowout at Assam Bhagjan oil well. And the answer is BP Katake. So BP Katake is the committee headed which is formed by National Green Tribunal to investigate the Assam Bhagjan oil well. The present CM of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal. Next, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu has launched 2 loan schemes in Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Who is the chairman and managing director of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? And the answer is R.K. Chibbar. So present CMD of Jammu and Kashmir Bank is R.K. Chibbar. Recently Girish Chandra Murmu has launched 2 loan schemes in Jammu and Kashmir, which is named Jammu and Kashmir Bank Business Support Loan Scheme 2019-20, Jammu and Kashmir Bank Business Support Loan Scheme 2019-20 for hotels and guest houses. These 2 are launched by Girish Chandra Murmu in Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Next, which country has agreed to join United Nations Arms Trade Treaty in recently? And the answer is China. So China has agreed to join United Nations Arms Trade Treaty. Next, Tilari Forest Area, which was declared conservative reserve, it is located in which state? And the answer is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra's Tilari Forest Area was declared as the conservative reserve. Next, how much fund was granted by central government to the emergency fund to the armed forces for war preparedness? And the answer is 500 crores. So recently central government has allocated 500 crores emergency fund for armed forces and war preparedness. Present Defense Minister is Rajnath Singh. Next, who inaugurated Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan, the largest employment generating program in the country? And the answer is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan. It is the employment generating program. The present CM of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and the governor is Anandibin Patel. Next, central government has allocated 4,125 crores for the which state for rejuvenating small, medium and tiny industry sector? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. So recently central government has allocated 4,125 crores for the Tamil Nadu state for rejuvenating the small, medium and tiny industry sector. The present CM of Tamil Nadu is Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. Next, Union Cabinet has approved creation of which body to provide a level playing field for private companies to use Indian space infrastructure? And the answer is IN Space. So recently Union Cabinet has launched IN Space for the playing field for private companies by using our Indian space infrastructure. INSpace full form is Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center. Next, the 15 TPD ton per day compressed biogas plant was set up in Namakkal, Tamil Nadu recently. The plant was set up by IOCL with oil tanking GmbH of which country? And the answer is Germany. So Indian Oil Corporation Limited and Germany Oil Tanking GmbH has launched compressed biogas plant in Namakkal, Tamil Nadu. Next, world's first yoga university outside India, which is named Vivekananda Yoga University, was located in which city? And the answer is Los Angeles, US. So recently, world's first yoga university, which is set up in outside India, which is named Vivekananda Yoga University, is located in Los Angeles, US. Next, who was attended as Indian delegation in Russia's Victory Day Parade, which commemorated the 75th anniversary of victory of the Soviet people in Second World War? And the answer is our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has attended Russia's Victory Day Parade, which is the 75th anniversary of Soviet people victory in Second World War. Next, name the bank which has launched a digital wallet which is named Yuva Pay in partnership with UDMA Technology Private Limited, and the answer is Yes Bank. So Yes Bank and UDMA Technology Private Limited has launched Yuva Pay. It is the digital wallet. The headquarters of Yes Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Present MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar. Next, who chairs the 9-member working group committee formed by Hyderabad-based IRDAI to suggest insurance products covering drones? And the answer is Anjan Day. So Anjan Day is the committee headed which is formed by IRDAI for the suggest insurance product covering drones. The headquarters of IRDAI is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Present chairman is Subhash Chandra Kuntiya. Next, find the Indian state or union territory which amends Industries Facilitation Act for small, medium and large scale industries. And the answer is Karnataka. So recently Karnataka amends the Industries Facilitation Act for small, medium and large scale industries. The present CM of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa. Next, the Narsapur Urban Forest Park was located in which state? And the answer is Telangana. So recently Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao has inaugurated Narsapur Urban Forest Park. Next, when was celebrated International Day in support of victims of torture? And the answer is June 26. So every year June 26 is celebrated as the International Day in support of victims of torture. Next, who became the first Indian to participate in $150,000 Chessable Masters tournament? And the answer is P. Harikrishna. So P. Harikrishna is the first Indian player which is participated in $150,000 Chessable Masters tournament. P. Harikrishna belongs to chess. Next, what is India's rank in terms of money parked by its citizens and enterprises with Swiss banks at the end of the year 2019? And the answer is 77. So in the Swiss banks, India rank is 77. In this rank topped by UK country. Next, K. Sanjita Chanu, who is in news recently, is associated with which sport? And the answer is weightlifting. So K. Sanjita Chanu belongs to weightlifting. Recently she is in news because she cleared all anti-doping rules. Previously, which state has announced Mahaparvana initiative to attract fresh industrial investment? And the answer is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra government has announced Mahaparvana initiative to attract fresh industrial investment. So guys, these are the important weekly current affairs of June 4th week. So if you want PDF or quiz based on this video, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. So thank you for watching the video.